All right, guys, I'm done with installing the seats. Here are my old ones right here, and ready for the new ones. There you go. These things look really nice. They came out really nice with this vehicle. Makes the interior stand out really well, really well. These are not cheap. If you guys buy something on eBay, you get what you pay for. You know, you pay $300, $400 for seats on eBay. Don't expect them for that to last that long. That was my first mistake. But these right here, they're really comfortable, really heavy duty, and I know that they're gonna last a while. Any questions about the installation, you guys let me know. And again, I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And please click like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.